Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're having that issue where your Roblox game client is not responding and you are getting this kind of error message on your screen where it asks you to close the program or wait for the program to respond. So we're just gonna go ahead and fix this issue right here. So let's just get started. So the first thing we can do is we can just go ahead and find Roblox player on your screen, back click on it and go over and find an option for properties and open it up. Once you're on properties, this window appears on your screen. So what you need to do is go over to the compatibility tab, head over there and select this option, run this program in compatibility mode. So before selecting from here, what we're gonna do is head over to shortcut, go over to shortcut and select this option for run normal window, expanded, and select this option for maximized or minimized, and select the option called minimized here and go to compatibility and select the option for Windows 7 and select these options right here, run this program as an administrator, and click on apply and click on OK. Just go ahead and do so and see if that fixes the issue. Or what we can do is apply method number 2. For that, you can head over to the search and search for Roblox here and go over and find settings for Roblox here, or you can directly head over to settings. Let me just head over Windows plus I, go over to settings, go over to apps, and once you are under apps, go over to installed apps and find Roblox here. Scroll, or you can directly search for it also depending upon yourself. Let me just go ahead and search for the app, type in Roblox, and there we go. You can head over, go to the three dot, and you can modify it from here and reset your app, and that should help you fix the issue. So that's it for today's video. If you would like to fix your Roblox game client not responding, you may try these methods up and see if it fixes it. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.